Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome, and I hope you stay. Today, I'm bringing to you another very easy manicure. Without wasting time, let's just get started. So, I like to customize my nail color. So, I'll get a little container and come in with a transparent gel. I'm going for a nude color, so I'll come in with a drop of my brown nail polish. Then I'll add a drop of my pink nail polish. I'll go ahead and mix it up very well. I'll come in with a pinch of shimmer. So after mixing, this is what we have here. I'm satisfied with the tone and I'll set it aside for later. I'll get my electric file and file my nails. I'll file the surface and the edges as well. I'll come in with a dehydrator and get rid of any dust on my nails. I'll get my primer and come in with one coat each. The nails a little bit longer, so I'll come in with some plastic tips. I'll be using my base gel as glue. Afterwards, I'll cut them shorter. I'll come in with my file and even them out. So I'll get a piece of my customized polygel and then apply it onto my nail. With the help of a slit liquid and my brush, I'll just work it out. I'll come in with my file and file the surface and the edges to even it out. Finally, I'll come in with a glossy top coat. I'll go ahead and come in with some cuticle oil to help relax my cuticles. And here we are. I must say I'm loving this nude color. I mean, I prefer the nude colors, so nowadays I customize my own colors. So I hope I did help you, and I hope you are going to give this a try. If you do, let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to give me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye.